avoir les OK. Excuse me. To burp. I burped. Na refoulé. To yawn. Kobaye. To blow your nose. Or blowing your nose. To blow your nose. Se moucher. Se moucher. Kofwemba miyoyo. Na ebite na lingala kofwemba apparemment ezali kikongo kofwemba miyoyo. Kofwemba miyoyo. Soki osepeli na video kobosana te kotia ba j'aime, s'abonner, subscribe and like the video so we can make some more. Thanks very much. Thank you.